Hello and welcome to the sports edition of HeadlinesIndia.com on August 19, 2008, and I am Pooja with some news from the sports world. At the Beijing Olympics, ace Indian paddler Achanta Sharath Kamal moved to the second round of the men's singles table tennis event after defeating Spaniard Alfredo Carneros by 4-2. Sharath started his campaign on a shoddy note, losing the opening game but came back strongly to knock out the Spaniard. In all probability, now Sharath is expected to take on the Australian Vixing Chen. The promising Indian pugilist Akhil Kumar went down by 3-10 in a one-sided bantamweight 54 kg quarter-final bout against Moldovan Veseslav Gojan. Gojan cleverly picked up the points while keeping a tight guard which restricted the Indian to land any points-gathering punches. With Akhil's defeat, now the onus is on the two boxers Jitendra Kumar and Vijender Singh, both of whom have their quarter-finals on Wednesday. Another Olympic medal slipped out of India's hands when Yogeshwar Dutt was unable to maintain his lead in the third and final round to lose the wrestling quarter-final tie of the 60 kg freestyle category against Kenichi Yumoto of Japan. Dutt made a good start to his bout, winning the first round, but his opponent bounced back to win the second, earning 4 points to draw parity. The Indian wrestler was going ahead in the third round but failed to hold on the lead. In the women's long jump event, Anju Bobby George failed to qualify for the final round as she made 3 consecutive foul jumps. Anju failed to put up even a single clean jump, squandering all 3 chances. She was not in her best form as she has been continuously struggling to cross her best mark of 6.83 meters, which she achieved 4 years ago in the Athens Olympic. It's time for a short break. We'll be back in a moment. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Now some news from cricket. Indian batsmen failed to adjust to the low and slow turning wicket at the Dambulla Rangiri International Stadium and crashed to an 8-wicket defeat by Sri Lanka in the first of the 5 one-day internationals. The Indians were able to manage only 146 runs in 46 overs, losing all their wickets. The youth brigade of the team made little difference as the visitors struggled against the deadly spin duo Muthiah Muralitharan and Ajantha Mendes. Chaminda was struck the early wicket when he bowled Gautam Gambhir, and then Nuwan Kulsekara removed debutant Kohli and Suresh Raina to reduce India to 36 for 3 at one stage. Vice-captain Yuvraj Singh was dropped early on but could not sustain longer. In reply, Sri Lanka lost Sanath Jayasuriya and Sangakkara, but Mahela Jayawardene and Chamara Kapugedra added an unbroken 102 runs for the third wicket to assure Sri Lankan win. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, keep logging on to HeadlinesIndia.com.